How to browse products in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view different products. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. So now this interface will pop up. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to view different products that are available. On the top, there's a search bar too. You can directly search for the product that you want to look out. Here on the bottom, there are subcategories too. So you can swipe right until you find the one that you want to look out. Here you'll be able to view different product details from the ratings, prices and etc. Now if you tap on the product, it will show you every details and it will even lead you to add it to your cart. So you can easily view and browse the product and buy the product from Sephora. It's quite easy shopping platform. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.